Alright, so this is our app, the Naveed clock. So if I click on this, it'll start. And what it does is it gives you your date and time. This is the normal clock view. It updates every second. If we go to clock settings, we can mess with some of these settings right now. For example, it'll change like that. And these settings persist after the application itself. So if we go to the alternate clock view, it'll explain I'll explain what's happening. So what happens is it will take let me change the color real quick. It'll look at the hour and the number time, in the minutes time, and reverse geocode that into street addresses. So this will look at 17th Avenue and 23rd Street in New York City, and it will return the intersection, a Google Maps image of that intersection. And this is how we chose to represent time in our alternate clock view. So if you go here, what will happen is it should immediately show up. Here you go. 17 is 5th Street in 12-hour time, and 23rd, right as it says. Now, originally when we did this, we had to update every second, but we quickly got rate limited by Google, so we had to tone it down to once every 2 seconds. But it's pretty cool. That's how it works. And obviously, if you go to clock settings and change this to blue, it should change that, and that'll exist over here. Yeah, and that's our app. And that custom feature we did was using all of Google's APIs, the geocoding API, the maps, the static maps API, and we did a lot of JSON requests, JSON parsing to essentially break down that thing into a actionable thing. And so we would repaint the custom view with a new bitmap image that came from the time and the geocoded coordinates. So yeah, that's our app.